What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's your nationality?
I am American.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love to travel.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer and tennis.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you prefer dogs or cats?
I prefer dogs.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
How many hours do you work a day?
I work about 8 hours a day.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, I take a 30-minute lunch break.
What do you do on the weekends?
On the weekends, I go to the park or see movies.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What did you do last night?
Last night, I watched a TV show.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
What's the best book you've read recently?
The best book I read recently is The Alchemist.
What was your first job?
My first job was as a cashier in a supermarket.
Have you ever met a famous person?
Yes, I met a famous singer last year.
What's the most interesting place you visited?
The most interesting place I've visited is Tokyo.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was history.
What's the most useful app on your phone?
The most useful app is Google Maps.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was Avengers: Endgame.
What did you do on your last vacation?
On my last vacation, I went skiing in the mountains.
What do you think about this weather?
It's really nice today, sunny and warm.
How do you feel about online learning?
I think online learning is very convenient and effective.
What's your opinion on electric cars?
I think electric cars are great for the environment.
Do you think people should travel to space?
Yes, I think space travel is exciting and has a lot of potential.
What's your view on social media?
I think social media is useful, but it can be distracting.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
What do you think about the current political situation?
It's quite complicated, but I hope it improves soon.
What's your take on global warming?
Global warming is a serious issue that needs urgent attention.
How do you feel about artificial intelligence?
It's fascinating, but it also makes me a bit nervous.
What do you think about the education system in your country?
It has its strengths and weaknesses, but overall, it's pretty good.